Yo, what's up, everybody? It's AI Web Explorer. We're diving deep into the world of AI, specifically those tools that are absolutely killing it when it comes to design. Think about it. A killer logo is the foundation of any brand, right? It's the first thing people see. It's got to be memorable. And you might be thinking, designing a logo, that's got to be for the pros, right? But hold up, because 2024 is all about powerful AI tools that make professional level design accessible to everyone. We're talking intuitive interfaces, crazy customization options, and AI doing a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So, whether you're a seasoned designer looking for a little AI boost, or you're just starting out and need a killer logo for your passion project, this video is for you. We're checking out the top 10 AI tools that are changing the logo game in 2024. Let's get into it. First up, we've got Canva, and let's be real, you probably saw this one coming. Canva has been killing the design game for a while now, and their AI-powered logo maker is no exception. What I love about Canva is that it's just so darn easy to use. They've got this drag and drop interface that makes it super intuitive, even if you've never designed a thing in your life. And speaking of making things easy, Canva has this massive library of templates to get you started. So whether you're going for a sleek, minimalist vibe or something bold and colorful, they've got you covered. But it's not just about the templates. Canva also gives you a ton of control over the customization. You can tweak the fonts, play around with the colors, add in some cool graphics. The possibilities are pretty much endless. And the best part is, Canva has a free plan that's actually really powerful, so you can start designing right away without spending a dime. Plus, their Pro plan is super affordable, especially considering everything you get. Next up is Looker, and this one is all about using AI to help you create a logo that truly reflects your brand. When you first jump into Looker, you're greeted with this really cool wizard that walks you through the whole process. It'll ask you about your industry, what kind of vibe you're going for, and even let you pick out some design styles that you like. And this is where the AI magic really kicks in. Looker takes all that information you give it and generates a bunch of logo concepts that are tailored to your specific brand. And the cool thing is, Looker doesn't just throw a bunch of random designs at you. It actually learns from your preferences as you go. So if you keep gravitating towards certain fonts or color palettes, Looker will start to incorporate those elements into future designs. It's like having your own personal AI design assistant. Looker also offers a bunch of different packages, so you can choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Now, if you're looking for a complete branding solution, Tailor Brands has got you covered. This tool goes way beyond just logo design. We're talking business cards, social media templates, even website design. It's like a one-stop shop for all your branding needs. But let's focus on the logo design for a second, because Tailor Brands definitely holds its own in that department. Just like Looker, Tailor Brands uses AI to generate logo designs based on your preferences. But what sets Tailor Brands apart is its focus on creating a cohesive brand identity. So when you're designing your logo, Tailor Brands will also suggest color palettes, font pairings, and even brand voice guidelines that all work together seamlessly. This is a game changer if you're not a professional designer and you want to make sure your brand looks polished and consistent across all platforms. Chapter 4. Logo Maker, Simple Yet Powerful Design. Up next, we've got Logo Maker, and this one is all about simplicity and ease of use. If you're the kind of person who likes to get hands-on with your designs, you're going to love Logo Maker's drag and drop interface. It's super intuitive and it gives you a lot of control over the design process. Logo Maker also has this massive library of icons and graphics that you can use in your logos. And we're not just talking about generic clip art here. They've got some really high quality stuff to choose from. Plus, you can upload your own images and graphics, which is awesome if you want to incorporate something unique to your brand. And if you're not sure where to start, Logo Maker has a bunch of pre-designed templates that you can customize to your liking. Overall, Logo Maker is a great option for anyone who wants a simple, affordable way to create a professional-looking logo. Chapter 5, Design Evo Templates Galore. Let's talk about Design Evo. And this one is all about templates. Seriously, they've got over 10,000 of them. So if you're feeling a little short on inspiration, or you just want to see what's out there, Design Evo is a great place to start. But don't let the sheer number of templates fool you. Design Evo's editor is still super powerful and customizable. You can easily tweak the colors, fonts, and layout of any template to make it your own. Plus, they've got a really good selection of icons and graphics that you can add to your designs. Design Evo also has a really generous free plan, so you can try out all the features before committing to a paid subscription. And if you do decide to go pro, their pricing is really competitive. Chapter 6. Hatchful by Shopify Free and Easy Logo Creation. Now, if you're on a tight budget, you're going to love this one. Hatchful is a completely free logo maker from Shopify, and it's surprisingly good. Like most of the other tools on this list, Hatchful uses AI to help you create a logo that fits your brand. You just answer a few questions about your business, and Hatchful will generate a bunch of different logo concepts for you to choose from. And while the customization options in Hatchful aren't quite as extensive as some of the other tools on this list, it's still a great option for anyone who needs a quick, easy, and completely free logo. Plus, since Hatchful is integrated with Shopify, it's super easy to add your new logo to your online store if you have one. Overall, Hatchful is a great option for entrepreneurs and small business owners who are just starting out and don't have a lot of money to spend on branding. Chapter 7. Ucraft, Simplicity at its finest. Ucraft is another great option for anyone who values simplicity and ease of use. Their logo maker is super intuitive and it's perfect for beginners. Ucraft has this really cool feature where you can actually draw your own logo if you want. So if you've got a specific vision in mind, you can just sketch it out, and Ucraft will help you turn it into a digital masterpiece. But even if you're not the artistic type, Ucraft has you covered. They've got a library of icons, shapes, and fonts that you can use to create a professional-looking logo in minutes. And like Canva, Ucraft has a free plan that gives you access to a decent amount of features. So you can start designing right away without having to pull out your credit card. If you're looking for a simple, affordable, and user-friendly logo maker, definitely check out Ucraft. Logojoy is another AI-powered logo maker that's worth checking out. What sets Logojoy apart is its focus on creating truly unique and memorable logos. When you first start using Logojoy, you'll be asked to take a short quiz about your brand and your design preferences. And I'm talking about really specific stuff, like what kind of emotions you want your logo to evoke. Logojoy takes all that information and uses it to generate a bunch of logo concepts that are tailored to your brand's personality. And once you've found a concept you like, you can customize it to your heart's content. Logojoy also offers a brand identity package that includes things like business card design and social media templates. So if you're looking for a complete branding solution, Logojoy is definitely worth considering. A brandmark is another great option for anyone looking for a complete branding solution. Like Tailor Brands, Brandmark goes way beyond just logo design. They offer a full suite of branding services, including color palette selection, typography recommendations, and even brand voice guidelines. But let's talk about the logo design for a second, because Brandmark's AI is seriously impressive. It takes into account things like your industry, your target audience, and even your competitors to create a logo that's both unique and effective. And once you've got your logo, Brandmark makes it super easy to apply it to all your branding materials. They have a bunch of templates for things like business cards, letterheads, and social media graphics. Overall, Brandmark is a great option for businesses that are serious about branding and want to create a cohesive brand identity across all platforms. Rounding out our list is Logasta, and this one is all about speed and affordability. If you need a logo like yesterday, Logasta is a great option. You can create a professional-looking logo in just a few minutes, and their pricing is super competitive. Logasta's AI isn't quite as advanced as some of the other tools on this list, but it's still capable of generating some pretty solid logo concepts. And once you've found a concept you like, you can customize it using Logasta's easy-to-use editor. Logasta also offers a bunch of different file formats for your logo, so you can use it anywhere. Overall, Logasta is a great option for businesses that need a logo quickly and don't have a lot of money to spend. So there you have it, guys, the top 10 AI tools that are changing the logo game in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, there's an AI-powered tool out there that can help you create a logo that's both beautiful and effective. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI logo design, hit that like button and subscribe to AI Web Explorer for more awesome content just like this. We're constantly exploring the latest and greatest in AI, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.